children. Hope all of you all attending online class, no children? Yes, please attend online class. It will be easy to complete day-to-day activities, children. Yes, I hope you all doing my assignment or homework. Yes, yes, children, you are all good. So before starting our session, let us start with our school prayer, children. Yes, all of you get up, children. Join your hands, close your eyes. Yes, very good. Let us start. Yes. Little Ellie, little Ellie is my school. Oh, I love it, oh, I love it, and you love it, you. I can play, I can sing, I can read and write, you. I can draw, I can dance, and have fun too. It's my best friend, a pink elephant. I am proud to be a little Ellie, little Ellie, little Ellie is the best school. Yes, hands down, open your eyes, children. Please practice at least 2 or 3 lines, children. Yes, very good, children. Yes, before starting our session, let us revise yesterday class. Yes, children, yesterday what we have revised? We have revised the number 3. Yes, now you are able to count the number 3, no? Yes, with objects and things. Yes, you can count it on your finger also. Yes, children, and you have placed the number 3 also, I think. Yes, I have given the homework, no? Yes. Then you have watched the Komodo colors, no? You have told your mama now to watch. Yes, yes. In the Little Ellie app you have watched, no? Komodo colors. How the Komodo colors? In that Komodo color, you will be known to the wily Komodo how will be changing its color, and you will know the Natajax friends, Natajax rodents, batwing, and these are the friends there will be in the Komodo colors. Now, please, if you have not watched, no, you can watch it once again, children. Okay, children. Next, we have learned the patterns. Yes, that is curve line, half curve, and a full curve. Yes, both the patterns we have learned. These are the, and another one session we have done, the concept is safety first. In the theme time, we have learned the safety first. Safety first means nothing but the road safety. When you will go with your parents on the vehicle, what are the measures you have to take? Yesterday I told, first while going on the road, you should hold your hand. Yes, of your parent, father or mother. If you should wear it, you should hold the hand and cross the road. You should cross the road properly and hold your hand. Yes, where you cross the road? On the zigzag line, on the zebra crossing, no? Have you seen? Yes, you should hold your hand and go while going on the road. That is the first point I told. Next is, while sitting in the car, you have to wear the seat belt. Why means? Because if sudden brake comes, it may get hurt to you. So that's why I told to wear the seat belt while sitting in the car. And another one I told that you should not be outside while traveling. Yes, inside the car if you are sitting, you should not put your head or hand outside the car and see. Okay, children, if you put hand or head outside, what happens? The other side, the vehicle will be moving and you may get hurt. So you should not peep outside the vehicle. car ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೈನ ಆಚೆ ತೆಗಿಬಾರ್ದು, ತಲೆನೂ ಈಚೆ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. You should sit properly and move. Yes, these are the things yesterday we have learned, and we have learned some more thing which you enjoy, no? Yes, that is the rhyme session. Yes, children, you have learned the rhymes. Yes, few rhymes yesterday you have learned, no? Yes, children, very good. Now, before that we will go for the today's session, children. Yes, shall we go for today's session? Yes, we'll learn some more patterns first. Okay, now I'll start with our today's session, that is patterns. Yes, now once again I will revise all the pattern writing, children. Pattern writings, that is first is, what is this line, children? This is, it starts from up to down. standing line. First always comes standing line, children. Standing line. This is standing line. Standing line always start from up to down. Up to down. Now this is a next is sleeping line. This you have to start from right to left. This is sleeping line. Okay children, this is standing line, this is sleeping line. Next, you have to start from up to down. This is a slant line. Slant line. This is the slant line. Next is after slant line, which line will come? Can you guess? Yes, this is zigzag line. If you join the slant line, slant line, slant line, slant line, slant line, slant line, slant line. This is zigzag line. Okay children. Next comes, this is a half curve. You have to start from right to left. Right to left. This is a half curve. Next is, you can see in this one half curve, it will be both the side, that is inverse side. This side also and this side also. Two types. One is this side and another is this side. This side. This is the reverse. Okay. Next is, after that we have learned the full circle. Yes, if you join this one, it becomes full circle. Next, today I am teaching you the this is the U curve. Can you see children? Can you see? This is the U curve. You have to start from here children. Right to left. First it starts from standing line. Then little curve. Then again standing line. Makes a U curve. Makes a U curve. This today we are learning the U curve. Okay, once again I will show how to write the U curve. See, you have to start from here, the red dot. So you first start from standing line, then half a curve, then again standing line. Okay children? So once again I will tell you the curves pattern. Which are the curve pattern? First is standing line. This is the standing line. This is the sleeping line. This is the slant line. This is the zigzag line. This is half curve. Then full circle. Then this is the U curve. So U curve. So once again I will show you on the tree using this one. So how you write children? See, take your pointer finger. First you have to start from right to left. So you have to write first standing line. Then make a small curve. Again make a standing line. Okay, you will get. So first how you write children? Once again, standing line, half curve, then standing line. Standing line, half curve, then standing line. Can you see children this one? This is the U curve. So you have to start from standing line, half curve, again standing line. Makes a U curve. This is the curve. Today I am teaching for you children. These are the patterns you are already learned. Once again I will tell this pattern once again. This is standing line, sleeping line, slant line, zigzag line, half curve, full circle, and this is the U curve. So you can practice with on a page to tell for your mama to give in the book. Okay children, I think you should practice. Then only you will be able to write the numbers or letters. Okay, it will be easy children. First you learn the patterns properly children. Okay, yes. Now I will give the homework for this one. This pattern writing. Yes, I will write on the board. Please check out children. See, take out writing readiness book. So writing readiness, you have to trace first one. Yesterday, I think you have done circle, no children. So today what you should do, no, again this full circle you have to trace in the crayon and color the ladybug. So first what you should do, you have to trace with the crayon full circle and color the ladybug. So page number 18, pattern 9B. So this page you have to write, and another this one U curve. You have to complete both the pages, children. So pattern writing I am giving 3 homeworks because you will have a Saturday Sunday holiday, no? So for this week I am giving homework more, children. Please cooperate and complete. Okay? Yes. So you have to write first page, this one, page number 18, next page number 19, page number 20. You have to complete. Next page number 19, 10A, pattern 10A. Then page number 20, pattern 10B. So you in the writing readiness, you have to complete this 3 page. For 1, 2, 3. So in this, you don't need to color the cup. You only have to trace the U curve. Yes, children. Only you have to color the U curve. And this part, what you should do? Here is a Christmas tree, no children. First you trace the U curve in a crayon or a pencil. Then color the tree, Christmas tree with the green color. Okay, children. Now complete these 3 patterns. Okay. Yes. Next we'll go to the next part. Next concept, that is the number 3 review. Okay, again I am revising the number 3, children. Yes. Now you are able to identify the numbers, no? Yes. Can you tell the numbers from 1 to 3? Yes. On your finger you can show me and tell. Yes. What is this? Yes. How many fingers I have shown here? 1 finger. 1 for 1 finger. 1 for 1 finger. Next. How many fingers are there here? 1, 2. 2 for 2 fingers. 2 for 2 fingers. Very good, children. You can simple thing you can count on your fingers and tell. Next, after 2, which number will come? 3. Yes. Can you count? 1, 2, 3. Yes, same thing you show on the another finger. 1, 2, 3. 3 for 3 fingers. 3 for 3 fingers. Yes. Now I will show you on the same thing on the flashcard. Yes. 1 for 1 chili. 1 for 1 chili. Yes, very good. Next, what is this? This is number 2. Yes, how many cards are there here? Can you count? Yes, count. 1, 2. 1, 2. Very good, children. Next, what is this? This is the number 3. This is the number 3. How many ice creams are there here? Can you count? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You like this ice cream? Yes. Now you should not eat. Now is a, if you eat now you will get a cold and cough. So please avoid eating ice cream, children. Yes. Now once again I will show the flashcard of numbers. 1 for 1 chili. 2 for 2 cars. 3 for 3 ice creams. Yes, very good, children. Next, we'll do some activity on number 3, counting activity. Yes, children, I will show you the object which you can count. Yes. Yes, see, children. What is this, children? This is the candle. So you should not take this candle. I took this one for only for counting, children. So you should not use this one. You take blocks and other small things for counting. Yes, pencil, crayon, like that you can take and count. Now how many candles are there in my hand? Can you count? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 candles. Okay. Next is another. I will show you. What is this? Yesterday we have done using this clip now for counting. Yes, that is clip, cloth clip. So how many clips I have? 1, 2, 3. 3 clips. Okay. Next, you purpose we'll use this one? Coloring. Yes, very good. How many crayons is ma'am is having here? 3 crayons. Very good. Can you count? 1, 2, 3. 3 crayons I have. Next, I'll show you pencil, color pencil. Yes? Yes, children, what is this? This is a color pencil. How many color pencil I have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you count? 1, 2, 3. 3 for 3 pencil. 3 for 3 pencils. Okay? 3 for 3 objects. 3 for 3 things like that. And another, see a small duckling is there. I have a duckling. So this is a toy duckling. So how many ducks are there in my hand? Can you count? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 for 3 objects. 3 for 3 objects. I have here how many ducks? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, children. Now I will show you how to trace the number 3. Now you should also learn the number 3. Know how to write. Yes. See, children, how you will trace. Always take pointer finger. See, you have to start from here. First trace half curve. Then again join the half curve. You will get the 3. Yes. Once again I will show you. See. Half curve. Half curve. Makes the number 3. Same thing I will write on the board. Yes. See, children, you have to start from here. Yeah, they given the arrow mark. You have to see and trace in the book. See, start from right. Trace the number 3 half curve. First it comes half curve. Yes, we have practiced half curve. No. First trace it half curve. Then again half curve. Half curve. Again half curve. So this is the number 3. Now you are able to trace the number 3, no, children? Yes, same thing. See, children, this is the number 3. Number 3 has 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Number 3 has 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. 3 for 3 dots. 3 for 3 dots. This is the number 3. Now you are able to count the number 3. Same thing, you have to learn to trace the number 3, children. Yes, okay. Now I will give the homework for you. Number 3. You have to take a page number 80. First you take page number 17, children. Open page number 17. Yes. Today 2 homeworks will be there in the mathematics readiness book. This is number 3. Can you see this one, children? What is this? This is the traffic lights. In these lights you have 3 lights. Yes. Can you count? 1, 2, 3. So first light will be red, green, yellow. Yes, 3 lights you have to color the traffic signal lights. 3 lights will be there. You please color the traffic signal light. Okay, children? Yes. You have to color this. Page number 17. Page number 17. 3. You have to color the traffic signal. Next again. Open page number 80, children. In mathematics readiness book. Yes. Open. Yes, all of you open. I think yesterday you have traced the number 3. Now for today's homework, again you have to trace the number 3. Yes, page number 80. So in mathematics readiness book, you have to do. One is you have to color the traffic lights, and another you have to trace the number 3. At last concept I will write all the homework, children. Please note that. Okay, tell to note for your mama. Yes, you have to trace. How you trace? Trace with the crayon. You have to start from this. Yeah, they have given the numbers. You see the arrow mark? You trace it. First take a half curve. So it makes a number 3. So you please complete this, children. Okay, very good. I think you'll all do. Yes? Yes. Next we'll go to the next concept. Next concept is review of yellow color. Yes, children? Now we have revised the yellow color so many times. No. Now you are know the red color and yellow color objects. Yes. Yes, children. Now here I have put some pictures which are in yellow color. Now this is I am revising once again, children. Yes. Can you guess? Yes. Can you guess some pictures? Can you tell the names of this picture? Yes. See, this is the gift box. It is wrapped in the yellow color cover. Then this is the fish. Yellow color fish. Yes. Next, this is sunflower. Sunflower is also in yellow color. Next, this is yellow color bird. Then what is this? This is envelope cover. Yes, envelope cover. Orchid. This is a pineapple. This is yellow color flower. Yellow color crab. Yes, this is what? Yellow color mango. Mango you all like to eat. How it is the taste? It is very sweet, no? Yes, this is mango is in yellow color. Yes, these are the few yellow color pictures I have shown. Now children, you are able to find out the red and yellow color. Can you find out some yellow color pictures in your house? Yes. Count and show me in the next class, children. Next, I will show you to match the pictures, yellow color picture. Yes. Children, what is this? This is the yellow box and this is the ball. Yes, this and this will match? No. The color will match? No. You have to match with the same thing, that is yellow color box. Now, this both will match. Yes, very good. Next is this will match? This is a ball, this is a Fevistick. Both will match, children? No. I will match for same thing. Yes. Yes. Now it will match? Yes. Same thing. It will match. Same ball, it will match. Next is, this is a duck and this is a capsicum, red capsicum. Is this both color will match it? No. Yes. I will match with the same picture. That is same thing, duck. Yes. Is this will match? Yes. Both are duck. It will match. Very good, children. Next, what is this, children? This is banana. How it is? It is very sweet. You should eat daily one banana, which will help in digestion of food. So please eat banana daily, children. Yes. Yes. It is good for health also. Yes. Now I will match it with this one. Yes. It will match, children. Yes, it will match. No. It is a green color. It is yellow color. You have to match now with the same picture. Yes. Thing. Yes. Is this will match? Yes. Both are bananas. Yellow color. It will match. Okay. Next is, I will show some. Next. See, children, this is pen, this is block. Is it match? No. I will match it with the same thing, same block. So yellow will match. Very good, children. Next is, this is another one shape. I will match it with the pencil. Is this will match? Yes? No. You have to match with the same shape. That is, both are same. Now, children, now you are able to find out the yellow color. Now, last thing. One I will show you. I have one teddy bear. See? Yes? One doll. Yes? You also have no yellow color at home. If you have, take and keep. Okay? Find out and keep, children. This is one. This is also in yellow color. Now you are able to find out so many yellow color things now. And you are know to match it also. So what you should do? Today I will give you one homework for you. Yes? That is, open page number 3. Page number 3, children. Page number 3 and page number 4. So what you should do, children? Color the picture. See here, the sun is yellow, banana is yellow, mango is yellow, duck is yellow. So you have to color all this picture with the yellow color crayon. No, you should not take and scribble all together. You should not do it one by one children neatly with mama's help. Okay children, today's homework you have to complete this yellow color. And next is color the yellow picture in each row. Just now I told you how I showed to match the same color. No, here are some colors, mixing color. You have to circle, you have to find out the yellow color object and circle it. See in this line, which is yellow color here? Lemon. You have to circle the lemon color. Next you come to the next picture. What is this? This is duck. Is it match? Is this yellow? Yes, you have to circle with yellow color. Next come to this part, honeybee. And this elephant, this is flower. Is there a yellow color? No. Where is the yellow color here? Honeybee. So you have to circle this children. Today's homework you have to complete these two. Okay? Page number 3 and page number 4. Very good children. Please do that day of the homework. Yes? Shall we sing one rhyme on yellow color? Yes. Shall we sing children? Yes. I am yellow, I am yellow, la la la, la la la. Mango is yellow, mango is yellow, la la la, la la la. Sunflower is yellow, sunflower is yellow, la la la, la la la. Lemon is yellow, lemon is yellow, la la la, la la la. Corn is yellow, corn is yellow, la la la, la la la. Bird is yellow, bird is yellow, la la la, la la la. Pineapple is yellow, pineapple is yellow, la la la, la la la. Yes, children. You can also learn this yellow color song in YouTube children. Tell your mama to show you and learn the yellow color song. So many songs are there. So this song is very easy. You can learn this children. Yes. Next we'll go to the next concept. Yes children. That is review. Review of theme time, safety at home. Yes, this I have revised two or three times. Again I am revising this one. Review class. The theme time is safety at home. Yes children, once again I will tell you what is the meaning of safety. Safety is nothing but to keep away from dangerous. ಅಪಾಯ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಅಪಾಯ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ತಡಿಬೋದು. ಅದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್ ದ sharp things. Yes, as I already I told for you, sharp things. Which are the sharp things children I told you? That is the scissor, knife, blade, eraser. In sharp things na ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. You should do not touch the sharp things. If you touch, what happens? ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get cut into the fingers. Yes, ನಿಮ್ಮ finger na ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. So you should not touch the sharp things. Please be aware of sharp things. Sharp things. Yes children, you should not touch the sharp things. Very good. Next is what you should do? You should not touch the electrical things. Which are the electrical things andre? Electrical things andre I will show you now. See, these are the electrical things. This is the switchboard and this is the plug. See, you should not do like this on and off. Yes, and some kids will be doing on, off. And you should not put the things, any things into this plug board. Alva, mane ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. You should not put the plug board or you should not touch this one. Yes, if you do like that, you will get electric shock. Shock ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಟ್ಬಾರ್ದು. You should avoid children. And another is you should not touch the hot things. Hot things ಯಾವ್ದು? Now I will show you. See, this is a kettle. They will use for to boil the water. No children. ಅದು ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಂಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಮುಟ್ತೀರಾ. So you should not touch. Avoid touching of hot things. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ things ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಟ್ಬಾರ್ದು. This is the kettle. You should not touch. If you touch, you will get burn. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಸುಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇದನ್ನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ iron box. Mama you use no to iron the clothes. Iron box na ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡ್ದು, kettle na ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡ್ದು. Then matchstick. This also you should not play. This is also, if you play in this, you will get the fire will catch us. Yes. ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. You should not touch this type of things. Yes. Hot things ಯಾವ್ದು? Stove. Even the stove, oven, kettle. Then ಬಾಟಲ್ ನೀರಿಗೆ, ಬಿಸಿ ಬಾಟಲ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮಮ್ಮಿ, ಹಾಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಬಾಟಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಬಿಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಇರೋಂಥ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಯಾವುದು ಮುಟ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆಟಲ್, ಐರನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಓವನ್, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟವ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಯಾವುದು ಮುಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಈವನ್ ಫೈರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಫೈರ್ ಉರಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಟ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅವಾಯ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ಟಚಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡಿಂಗ್ hot things. Yes. Next is you should not touch the medicines or chemicals. Medicine andre yavadu? I will show you. See, this is the tablets and this is the syrup. Mummy ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಮಮ್ಮ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅದಾಗಲಿ ಸಿರಪ್ ಅದಾಗಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಡ್ದು, ಮಮ್ಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಏನು ಮುಟ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದ ಪೆನಾಲ್, ಡೆಟಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ನೋಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ಟೋದು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ನೀವು ದೂರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್ ದ ಮೆಡಿಸನ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಎಸ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡ್ದು. ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿರಪ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಏನು ನೀವು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ದ ಹೈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಹೈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಶೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅದಾಗಲಿ, ಚೇರ್ ಅದಾಗಲಿ, ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದೇರ್. ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರೇ ಹತ್ತುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರೇ ಇಳಿತಾರೆ, ಶೆಲ್ಫ್ ಹತ್ತಾರೆ, ಶೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಳಿತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೇರ್ ಹತ್ತುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೇರ್ ಇಳಿತಾರೆ, ಬೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಳಿಯೋದು, ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಹೈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು, ಚೇರ್, ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹತ್ತೋದು, ಇಳಿಯೋದು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನೀವು ಹಂಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ದ ಹೈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚೇರ್, ಟೇಬಲ್, ಬೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಈವನ್ ವೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಮೆಟ್ಲುಗಳು, ಹತ್ತೋದಾಗಲಿ ಇಳಿಯೋದಾಗಲಿ ನೀವು ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಇಳಿಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಹಂಗೂ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ, ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಟು ಯೋರ್ ಲೆಗ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. These are the things yesterday I have revised the theme safety at home children. Now you are able to understand. We'll go to the next concept, that is the color card. Yes, I'll show you children. This is the color cards. This is the color card. Now I'll show you how to match with the same color. Okay. Now children, what is this children? This I have learned this color. No. Yes, it is a red color. So I will match it with the same color, with the same picture. This is the red color and this is the red color lamp. So both will match. Red color lamp, both will match. Okay. Next is, today we have revised this. Which color children? Yes, yellow color. Yes. Now I will match it with the same color, with the same thing. Yes, this is the yellow color. I'll match it with the same color thing. This is the kettle. It will match with this. Okay, yellow color, and it is yellow color kettle. So both will match it. Next we'll go to the green. Yes, which color is this? Green, and we'll match it with this. So this color will match with this color. Yes. So what purpose you will use this one? Yes, for what purpose you will use this one? For put the water for gardening. Yes, yes children. Next we'll go to, this is purple color. So I will match it with the purple color jacket, trouser. Yes, both will match Yes. Next we'll go to orange. This is orange color. It will match with the jacket of same color. This is jacket, orange color jacket. Both will match it. Next we'll go to last that color. This is what color children? Blue. And this is blue color chair. So both will match. These are the cards. Color cards. You can watch it in the Little Lily app, companion app, powered by Utuki children. So you can watch it with your mama self. You please watch it. Now again another video is there for today's concept, that is storytelling. The Lion and the Mouse. I think you have watched this story now children. So once again tell your mama to show this video, The Lion and the Mouse, and watch it. You will understand the moral of the story, and the story is very interesting. You should watch again. Okay. Now you watch the color card and The Lion and the Mouse. You have to watch for this concept. Okay. Next I will revise the homework what I have given today. So you will have the weekend holidays, Saturday and Sunday. So I will give the homework writing little more. Please cooperate and complete children. Okay children. Now I will write the homework. Don't get confused. Please check the homework. Yes, patterns. In pattern you have to write 9B, page 18, and 10A, page 19, again 10B, page 20. So these are the in pattern. You have to write these three. And in math, MR book means mathematics readiness book. You have to trace the first. You have to write number 3. In that you have to color the 3 traffic lights. That is page number 17. Okay children, page number 17 you have to color the traffic lights. Next is number 3. You have to trace the number 3, page 80. Okay. You have to write the number 3. Trace the number 3. Here you have to color the three traffic lights. Yes. Next is ELP. That is early concept. See, this is the my early concepts. Okay. In this you have to color the yellow color picture. So page number 3 you have to do, and again page number 4 you have to circle yellow color objects. Okay children. And another one is there, bumpy line coloring book. So you have to do this on another one page. Last time I have given the first page and second page. Today you have to do third page. You have to color the third page children. These are the homework I have given. So please complete. Next time you should get ready when I ask you. Okay children. Bye. Take care.